facts, or frauds.
What you are witnessing is real. The participants are not actors.
People versus Courtroom, number 235256.
Sierra Coke on behalf of the people.
Coon is present here in the courtroom today. This was originally set as a sentencing hearing. Mr. Coon, I got a report from the probation department indicating that you declined to participate in the investigation process.
Every up here. Greetings, Your Honor. I'm here by special appearance, not a general appearance, and I reserve all my rights and explicit reservation without prejudice. I, Paul Coon, a sentinel moral being, have examined the path of my feet on and have concluded that I have dishonored many people, including, but not limited to, the people, the peace officers, the city, the county, and to determine that I have made many mistakes, and I'm sorry for my sins, and therefore I repent now. I have become aware of other sins I may have committed, and I'll repent immediately. To my attorney, it has come to my attention that you have never informed me of my choice of law, and to make matters worse, you chose an inferior form to have me tried under. You are either incompetent or collusive with the prosecutor. Either way, you have provided me with an ineffective assistance of counsel, which has caused me great harm. You are fired. That's what I have to say.
Okay. Do you intend to hire another attorney? Are you appointed?
I was appointed.
How are you going to proceed in terms of counsel, Mr. Coon?
Oh, I'm going to do it myself.
Okay. All right. You understand that you have the right to have an attorney?
I do.
And you understand that if you can't afford an attorney, you have the right to have one appointed for you at public expense. And in fact, that's what we've been operating under up till now.
I haven't gotten legal counsel, but anyways, I'll accept whatever you have.
Okay, so you understand that you do have the right to have an appointed attorney if you can't afford one?
I had him, and he has done me no good from the beginning. So,
yep.
At this point, I'll just I'll take whatever you got to give me.
Yeah, I'm just asking whether you understand that you have that right.
Yes.
And in spite of that, you're asking the court to allow you to represent yourself today?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever represented yourself in court before?
Sir, I'm here as a special appearance only, and that's.
Yeah, that doesn't have any legal significance to me at all.
I understand.
My question is whether you've ever represented yourself in court before.
No.
Okay. Do you have any legal training or education?
No, just have the people that help me through this.
Okay. And so you understand that there are, not having represented yourself, not having any legal training or experience, that there are risks involved in representing yourself.
Yes, sir.
And that there are matters of procedure and substantive law that you may not be aware of, and therefore there may be arguments that you could raise in your own defense that might give you an improved outcome in your case, and that without that legal training and experience, you may not know what those are, and you may have a worse outcome than if you had an attorney.
I'll take what is given to me.
In spite of those risks, is it still your wish to represent
Yes,
yourself?
I'll take what is given to me.
That's not the answer to my question. My question is, do you still want to represent yourself knowing those risks?
Sir, I just I'll accept any offer. In return, your offer to your, for your closure and settlement of any accounts I may have.
Okay, again, my question is, in spite of the risks of representing yourself, are you still asking to represent yourself?
Yes.
So at this point, the court, with Mr. Gurmurthy will discharge you. The court finds that your request to represent yourself is knowing and voluntary and unequivocal. And so at this point, the court's going to allow you to represent yourself going forward. Do you have anything to say with regard to your refusal to participate in the pre-sentence interview process?
Whatever you want to give me, I'll accept.
Okay, so that's something that you're required to do as part of the court's order. Because you declined to do that, the court is going to revoke your bond. The court is going to order that you be remanded to the Crawford County Jail. I'm going to request the probation officer to make another attempt to go through the pre-sentence interview process with you. If you continue to decline, then we'll just go forward with sentencing without having that information before the court. And Mr. Haven, if Mr. Kuhn refuses to participate, you can just indicate that for the court and then prepare the pre-sentence report to the best of your ability without that information.
Yes, sir.
I did an acceptance, dated and signed the top of it. And that's all I'm doing.
Okay, well, we'll give it another try anyway, and you're going to do what you're going to do. But for today's purposes, the court's going to revoke your bond and remand you to the jail. The court will set this for a sentencing hearing at its next available date. So you can go with the officers, please.
Okay. I'm going to hand this over to my witnesses.
Hand it over to
Hmm?
I'll give it to him.
Okay, right there.
Yeah.
Sorry, just certainly hand that to them. Okay.
He's off.
Oh, the headphones. Okay. So you don't need those. I mean, oh, okay. Okay.
You can't fix stupid.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video, you can be in a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. And if you'd like to become a member, click on join right next to subscribe or the link in the description. Now, if you're still hanging around, thank you. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.